Piglet het 'n probleem. Haar ligsensitiewe oë chop behoorlik af in die skerp Kaapse son. Maar haar aanneemma, Jenny Williams, het 'n oplossing wat glo werk soos 'n bom.
Her eyes were like, when I found her, eyes were like strawberries. They were just bulging and red, red in the white of the eye as well.
En, hoewel dit sorg vir 'n aardige gesig, is Piglet se oë nou beter.
There's no, as you can see, there's pigment there, up there, but none on the lower lids. See, a dog will usually have the black rims on the bottom lid as well. Yeah, sometimes when I'm walking with her, especially on the beach, people remark, either they say, oh, cute, or others express disapproval of dogs that are dressed up to look like little toys of some sort. But once I explain that it's medically necessary for her eyes, and therefore it's not just cosmetic, then they understand and they're fascinated by her.